Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be working with Beauty Forever hair. Today I have a kinky curly V-part wig and I'll be styling it with no leave out. So of course this is everything that came in the packaging, and then let's jump straight into this wig. So like I said, kinky curly, and you know sometimes kinky curly units are like very hit or miss, but I will say that I actually really like this one. So let's just get into it. This is the construction, of course, and then for my hair, I decided to do no leave out because of course my hair is straight. So I wanted to see, of course, how this unit did without leaving any hair out, because also it's summertime and you know it's just a lot easier if you don't have your hair out with this humidity. It's been super hot. So let's just see what happens. I loved the results actually. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys actually. But with this texture, it did take me a minute to get this wig positioned on my head right, to see how to do it, to where I could wear it without leaving any leave out. But yeah, so you're just gonna see me trying a few times to get the perfect position. I think it looked right, but my issue was making it also comfortable. So like this looked right, but it was kind of squeezing my part. I think you can see it there. Like it's kind of really pulling at the hair that's at the top. So I had to reposition just to make sure, like, okay, there's no leave out, but this is really pulling on my hair. You know, like I wanted it to be comfortable. So yeah, I did try it out a few times, and the way that I got it to be comfortable and still look like okay was I kind of left the clips kind of like off of my head a little bit. Like I had them a little bit above my actual hairline, and that was really comfortable. So I would say, guys, just play with this wig, see what works for you, and then yeah, and then just go from there. But getting the actual texture of this unit also took a minute, but it was definitely worth it. All I did was wet this hair and brush it. The water has a little bit of conditioner in it as well, but I just kept wetting the hair and brushing it out until it got to the texture that I think it like initially was, because you know, like when they ship it, the texture is kind of like manipulated, I guess. So kind of getting that out of this hair took a minute, but it was definitely worth it. I love the look in the end, you know, something different. And then I really love that I could wear this without any leave out. So of course, check out the description box below if you guys are interested. But I would say that I definitely enjoyed this unit. It was really nice. Once I found a comfortable position to wear this unit and then combed it out, definitely worth it. Something different. I don't typically wear this type of style, so this was definitely different for me, but I really liked it. So I hope you guys did as well. Let me know what you think down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy this video or my content, please go ahead and like this video, and if you want to see more, let me know what you're looking more of, and please subscribe. But anyways, I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.